So the Department of Finance just proposed a tax hike through the growth bill by Ralph Recto. What's changing is capital gains tax on real estate or real properties from 6% to 10%. Then the flat rate of donors tax and estate tax na 6% will also increase to 10%. So the timeline for this will be from 2025 through 2030. Tapos babalik naman daw to 6% unless this is extended by the Congress. So the goal here is to raise 300 billion pesos in the span of 5 years. Supposedly yung target daw ng tax hike na to will be the wealthy, pero alam natin that ordinary Filipinos will be the ones who will be affected, kasi yung mga especially mga inherited na properties or mga homes, kapag ibebenta nila, ayun, dun pa lang ramdam na. Although kahit common practice naman yung pag-underdeclare ng value on your real property, nonetheless may increase pa rin eh. This is still under review by Congress.